raising the house in relation to the terrain and excavating to conceal the garage, while keeping the ground floor 1.20 meters above street level. A project that prioritizes the integration between indoor and outdoor spaces, featuring vertical gardens and technological solutions, such as a guillotine gate that disappears underground when necessary. This was architect Arthur Cassa's response to the narrow plot with only one entrance, facing the sea, balancing openness to the landscape with privacy and maintaining practicality in both pedestrian and vehicular access. On the ground floor, there is a pool, social and service areas, as well as a suite facing the garden at the back. The integrated spaces preserve a sense of spaciousness, harmonizing with the local landscape. The living room fully opens to the exterior thanks to sliding frames that run to the sides, seamlessly integrating the living, dining, and home theater areas with the pool deck. The guillotine gate disappears underground for vehicle entry and can be adjusted to either completely close the facade or remain at an intermediate height, preserving both privacy within the residence and the sea view. With 655 square meters of built area, the design compensated for the lack of green spaces with generous vertical gardens featuring interesting geometric patterns. The project took about 4 years to complete and occupied almost the entire 750 square meters plot. The roof transforms into a solarium with a spa and fire pit. All railings are made of extra clear glass, emphasizing the intention to minimize boundaries with the landscape. The light Fendi tone was applied to the walls, joinery, and ceiling, further enhancing the sense of integration between the spaces. Noteworthy is the prominent presence of Brazilian pieces, such as Sergio Rodriguez's mole armchair and Jorge Zalchupin's pétala table. The structure is revealed by the porch on the facade, freeing the interiors with 10-meter wide spans.